Hey guys, today actually I have choose this LG model and it comes in double door variety. It has several colors, but today I will be talking about only this cherry model, and it has 308 liter capacity, which is very good in quality. If I will talk about this if I talk about the warranty, which is promises LG in this model, so it comes in a 1 year warranty, complete warranty. And if we will talking about the compressor warranty, so 10 years warranty on compressor. And this model is in 3 star and it consumes only 206 units per year, and it has inbuilt stabilizer in this, and it is a inverter linear model. So it has also a good smart diagnosis system by which you can just easily contact with your uh, technician. By this feature you will have to install a application which is ThinkView application, and by using that application there will be some features which is technician guide you, just like he will tell you press 1 and 2, and further you will get a beep sound there. And by diagnosis this beep sound, LG is going to know that what is the problem in exactly and in what area. So this cherry model will come very good finishing and handle model. Here you will get the lock, and if we'll talk about the internal feature, so in this door you will get this pocket shelves, and as soon as we go to enter in this fridge, in the very beginning you will found that there is a option by which you can just easily cool your door. There is a door cooling feature which is LG is providing, that is very fantastic. And if you will see the inside the fridge, you will see here there is some buttons which is freezer convertible and speed dial, chill, super chill button actually. And here is the feature manual by which you can just easily setting your fridge and what temperature you want. And if you want to convertible your freezer like a fridge, you can easily do that, because is LG in this model provides you convertible feature. See here, and as soon as you enter the freezer you will see there is ice making box. Here is the ice maker. So if you are planning to buy this fridge, this is the very best model in this segment. Ten-year warranty on compressor. Very good color, shining product. You can trust this product because it is very famous in market. So just give a try this product, and I will provide you the link by which you can easily go through this product and buy this product easily. Check the description box where you can find this product's link. Thank you.